Hello guys, welcome back to my smart money space. So welcome to this another video. So today we are going to see how you can make hundreds and thousands of dollars with Clickbank. So most of the people will know that Clickbank is an affiliate network as a Digistore 24 and JVZoo, Warrior Plus, etc. So you can choose any platform. I have choose Clickbank because it has a good number of commissions and it is very easy, simple process. So we can get good amount of money through this platform. So today we are here at Clickbank and I am going to share a method which will help you to make money through this Clickbank, and I will just keep on telling you simple steps which you can follow with your mobile phone or else your laptop so that you can make a good amount of money. So welcome back again. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. It will give me post and I will be keep on posting videos like this for you. So here we are at Clickbank, and we have see the most of the high entertainment, most high conversion products like entertainment as in on TV, betting, etc., etc. But I will suggest you to go with these platforms like health and fitness, like home and garden, and more over others. So I will choose health and fitness because health and fitness is the only area where people like to invest. So they are very much interested to like invest because if you have earned in thousands and thousands of crores and in dollars, but you don't have a good health, then no useful of earning that much amount of money. So here we are at health and fitness, so I will be choosing products regarding to diet and weight loss. So yes, so as you know, the health, diet and weight loss is the most needed thing. So everyone in this area will like to lose their weight. So yes, you can promote these products. As you can see, slim crystal unique offer 50 to 60% of 300% and average conversion 104 rupees. So here we are at this we would like to promote this product, and I will share you how you can promote this product. So here we are at slim crystal, and I can generate your hop link as I can generate smart money, and I will create my hop link. So here our hop link is getting ready. So yes, our link is ready, and you have doubts like how we are going to promote this product. So for that reason, subscribers to be landing in your pages. So here we are at Convertkit, so which help you to make that landing page where people comes and subscribe to that. Okay, so here we are at, and I am going to choose a particular landing page which helps us to promote the product. So I've been choosing this product, so I will go to preview. So this looks good, and we can use this thing. Yeah, we can use this thing as it is looks good, and we can convert this to convert this into a landing page for us. So I have chosen this. The internet seems to be slow. Yep, so here we are. So we can add another column like name, custom field, custom field. Okay, so here we are, our landing page is ready. So yes, this is our landing page. Okay, so we are replacing this thing. Yes, we can select this one. Okay, so we are going to edit this thing. Okay, yes, this is a good thing. You can just change this by applying, by just editing here. And yep, This is already. So where we are going to get the content, so we are getting back to Slim Crystal. So as you can see, this is the content we are going to copy and paste over there. So just copy this and pasting our content here. Yep, which is getting ready. And also this is the world's only water bottle, which is you're going to be get. Yep, so we can reduce the size of this. Yep, our landing page is ready. So yes, here we are going to add our link. Okay, redirect to external link. So I am going to paste this here. So this is the link. Yep, as simple as that. Now I am going to click publish. So copied this, I am going to click here and paste here and click here. See, this is the landing page which got ready. Okay, and I think it is not saved here, so I have to click save. So everything is saved, and yes, our landing page is ready. So we can just create publish and create this link, and yep, we can go here and we can keep paste. Yep, our landing page is ready. So someone gives their email address and give their first name, they will got their email address, so we can get promoted by using Convertkit, and we will keep on pushing the emails to them, and we can get a sale. So where we can promote this, you can use Quora, Facebook and many other platforms, which will be helpful to promote this type of products, and you can get a good amount of sales. So hope you have understood this video, hope you got this video. So thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.